Welcome to dear friend of me, Realme 9 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So first you should, I'll just open the box here. As you can see, we got the charger brick, the just USB cable. Here in this box we got the paperwork, the silicone protective case, and also the SIM tool. And unfortunately we have no here any earbuds, so if you wanna just use them, you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.